Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Today I will be sharing this easy and beginner level crochet project, making a flower coaster. You can use this as a home decor. I have used here 5 mm hook and a medium 4 weight medium yarn. This is a good way to utilize your scrap yarns. You will need a craft scissor too. I as I said earlier, you can use this as a home decor or as a coaster for tea or coffee cup. So if you are ready, let's get started. To begin with, we will make a loop and we'll make 6 chains. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 chains. Then insert into very first loop or knot to create a loop like this. And join it with a slip stitch. Okay, so here I have inserted into that first loop, and this is what a slip stitch. Okay, now make 3 chains. Okay, and start making double crochet in the loop which we have created now. Okay, so we will be making odd number of double crochet in the loop. Also hold the tail, the long tail between the yarn and the work so that it gets weaved in, like I have done here. I am holding that in between my needle when I pull through. Okay, like this I will be making 17 double crochet here. So see you at the end of this round. I made here 17 stitches and 3 chains is considered as the DC. So total 18 stitches. We will join with a slip stitch in the third chain here like this. Now the first round is complete. As a part of second round, so this is how it looks from back side. As a part of second round, we will be making 3 chains and I am inserting into the immediate double crochet. Sorry. Now we will make 2 chains after this double crochet and insert into the immediate next double crochet we have and make a double crochet again. So we will make 2 double crochets now in each next immediate double crochet. Now we have to make 2 chains and 2 double crochet in the next immediate double crochet. Like this, every double crochet will have a double crochet on top of it, but with the gap of 2 chains in between the 2 double crochet. Like this we will complete this round and see you at the end of this round. So now at the end we will join with a slip stitch. For the last one we didn't make 2 double crochets actually, so you can see here I have made just 1 double crochet before the 3 chain, and the last double crochet. Okay, now the 2 chain, and now to join with a slip stitch, we'll make the slip stitch in the 3rd chain on the top of the 3 chains. Okay, the 3rd one, join with the slip stitch, and this way the round is complete. The 2 chain and 2 DC round is finished. Now it is taking some shape, you can see here. Now for the next round we have to make 3 chains. Now for this round I will insert the needle into this gap, and here I am making a double crochet. See, another double crochet. So 2 double crochets I made in the gap of 2 chain. Now after 2 DC I will make 2 chains, and I will insert in the same gap for next 2 double crochet. So this was the first, and now I'm making second. Now we will repeat this. So we will repeat this part. We'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 2 double crochet in this 2 chain gap. Okay. So repeat this and see you at the end of this round. So I have completed this round almost. For the last stitches, few stitches, we will be doing 2 double crochet, then 2 chains, and we will do 1 double crochet. Okay, so these are the 2 chains, and this is the last double crochet, and the 3 chain will be considered as a double crochet of the same loop, which is 4th one. Okay, insert into the top 3rd chain and join it with a slip stitch like this. Here we completed our round 3. See, okay. For the last round we'll make 3 chains, and we'll insert in the next 2 chain gap to lower down this 3 chain stitch actually, and this will be a slip stitch. Now we will be making 6 double crochet. Okay, you can see. So you can see I have started making 6 double crochet here. This is the 4th one, I guess, 5th one, 6th one. So this is how we completed our 6 DC. Now we have to make a single crochet in between the 2 double crochet group. Okay, like this. Okay, now we will be inserting for the next 6 double crochet group in the next chain 2 group gap. So this is a beginner friendly project. Once you try this, you will get a good practice of double crochet, single crochet, and you will like this project once you make it. Okay, so yes, repeat the round in this way, 6 double crochets and 1 single stitch like this, and see you at the end of this round. Now we are at the end of this round. So I have made a single stitch and going for the 6 double crochet in the next 2 chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now to join, I'll be making a single stitch here, and that's it. Now make a chain and we will bind off. Now grab your scissor and cut some yarn, keep the tail, we will weave in the end. Okay, just pull through the needle and you will have a knot there. Now using the same needle, we will be weaving in this thread the remaining yarn. So you can see how it looks from the back side. Pretty cool, right? So like this you have to insert your needle in between your stitches and pull the yarn, like for some stitches, like this is a 4 rounds projects only, so we have very less space to weave in the end, and carefully we have to do that. So like this, weave in your tail and cut the remaining yarn, and your project is done. Please try this, and this looks very good and very pretty, very easy also beginner project. You will have that counting, then the practice for double crochet. I made few coasters with this different yarn, different needles. So the white one is made using 4 weight medium yarn but with 4 hook, and this gray is done using the 4 hook and a 3 ply yarn. So because of the different yarn, it looks smaller. Because of the different hooks, this yellow and white one looks different in the sides. So that is what a gauge is. So based on your yarn, it differs. See how small this one. I made this using this 4 mm hook and a 3-ply yarn. It looks very delicate and cute. So this is the similar yarn but made with a 4 mm hook. So this is a little small in size than the yellow one. This one we made with 5 mm hook. Okay, try this and enjoy crocheting. See you next time. Thank you.